Working on the 2013 Ford Edge with the 2.0 turbo. Today I just want to go over checking the fill level of the transmission. This particular one does not have a dipstick. Just has the fill hole outlet right down here, so it's kind of annoying to get to. So we want to check the fill level on this one. There's a couple things we got to do. We got our Haynes manual here. So it's got to be at a certain, basically operating temperature. So if it's a cold day, just go drive around for like 10 minutes or something like that, bring it in, and then we start the next process. So this particular vehicle, it's a 4-cylinder, it's got to be checked level. You can do it without jack stands. So my drain pan fits under there. You do have to remove the splash shield that's down there. You can do that on the ground as well. And then just to show you where it's at, the fill plug is right there, and it's a 14 mil, just to the left of the axle right there. So once the car's been warmed up, get everything set, and then we'll run the car through the gears, but we're going to loosen up that 14 mil bolt that's down there so we can see what fluid comes out. Alright, the engine's running. Just going to get that fill plug removed. And then to see how much fluid comes out. It's supposed to be at the bottom of the hole. That is some nasty looking stuff. So at some point somebody overfilled that, it would seem. Just gonna let that drain a second. Okay, so that just drained for another minute or so, and there's still some coming out, but it's supposed to just be at the bottom of the fill hole coming out, and that fluid looks horrible, so really that needs to be changed anyway. So let's just put this plug back in and stop it. Okay, well that was nasty, and clearly the fluid needs to be changed, but just want to show you how to check the level. So then, after you do that, you allow it to run out until it stops dripping. Let's reinstall the plug. Drive the vehicle a few miles until the fluid is up to normal operating temperature, then recheck the fluid level. So normal operating temperature on the transmission was like 160 to 175 degrees. So there's really no way to know that unless you got a scanner on what it is. But basically just drive it a few minutes, let it get warmed up, and then basically park it, recheck it to make sure that all the fluid's been moved through the system. You know, going through the gears, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and you should be good to go. So clearly I've got to do a transmission change, but I hope to help you out just understanding how to at least check the fluid level, and then just refilling, get you a long funnel, and then you just got to jam it down in here and take this plug off right here, and then jam your funnel down in there. Let's see if I can at least show you. Yeah, thanks Ford. There you go. You can just fill it in there slowly. So anyway, hope to help you out. Thanks.